we're making a big dinner for our friends tomorrow, so I'm out shopping, getting stuff that I need. I'm also finding fun snacks because we're getting prepared for the drive home. We're gonna do chicken wings, so I'm gonna grab this big one here. I guess I need to get some more little packages too. They got a couple here. So like I said, at the store, we're cooking dinner for tomorrow night, just as a thank you to our friends for having us stay with them and everything. I'm going to be cooking some Parmesan chicken wings and doing some roasted vegetables, some fresh vegetables with some blue cheese dressing, and then for dessert, we're doing cheesecake. And since cheesecake needs a long time to set in the fridge, I'm cooking it today. So I decided to do like cheesecake cups because that was the best option for fitting into the pressure cooker that they have here. And I didn't have the right pan size to make a full size cheesecake. So it's a recipe out of my cookbook, blank slate cheesecake cups. The only thing that I did differently was I added some lemon zest and some orange zest in there just to give it a little more flavor. And I'm going to make a peach topping to go on top. And that is a recipe also from my cookbook that you can make in the Instant Pot. So the pressure cooker they have here is Elite brand, I think, and it's not one that I am familiar with. So I'm gonna have to, be the newbie here and figure out how to make it work. Hopefully I don't ruin my cheesecake cups. If I did this correctly, but see if it works. I'm a little concerned here because the pot does not seem like it's sealing correctly. The pin popped up, but it's got so much steam coming out from the edge that I'm a little worried. All right, cook time finished, and it says it's on keep warm. I don't know why it says BB. I assume those are bees, but I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes to release some pressure, and then I'm going to go ahead and get those cooked. I'm also going to hope that these are actually cooked and not overcooked. winging it here. Wait, that's weird. It just moves, but the pressure is not released yet. I'm having trouble with this thing. I guess that works. Anytime now. Oh, there it goes finally. Oof. Oh, it goes that way. It goes the opposite way of the Instant Pot. How confusing. Oh no. Oh no, this did not turn out. Not a fan of this pressure cooker, guys. Not a fan. It'll still taste okay. It just rose too much and it won't be as dense and creamy as it should be. I always get the best results in my Duo Instant Pots. The Duo models give me the best. All right, we'll try this again with these. Maybe I'll just cook them a little less time. I can't cook on low pressure on this one. It only has one pressure setting. And I'm not loving this. All right, let's see. Cancel. I hit desserts last time, but maybe I'll just do steam. I don't know. Probably doesn't make any difference whatsoever. I'm going to just cook for 10 instead of 12 minutes this time. See how that goes. After they're all chilled, they're still going to taste good. It just does not look pretty. So disappointing. Oh my goodness. This one is even worse. Guys, what is the deal? For this pressure cooker, Elite, 1 star, would not recommend. I'm getting started on the wings. We got a ton. Oh man, that was so much work without my sharp knives from home and with this slippery cutting board. I felt like I was going to cut my fingers off, but I did it and I still have all my fingers. All right, now I'm going to do the peach topping for the cheesecakes, and I'm going to brave the not Instant Pot again and see if I can make this recipe happen. But it's a honey vanilla peach topping, and I'm going to double the recipe because this is bigger than a 3-quart. I'm doing butter instead of coconut oil because that's what I have. Vanilla. And I'm not going to measure the honey. It's supposed to be 6 tablespoons, but we'll just guesstimate it. Oh, I only wanted 1 minute. Why didn't it? Did it really not go to 1 minute? Maybe a different setting. It is only at 5 minutes. Let's see. Meat, chicken, rice, slow cook. No, cancel. I'll just put on soups and stews, I guess. But will it let me do just 1 minute? Seems so strange. So, I'm really not a fan of not having an up and down button. You have to go all the way to the end. Oh, there. Oh my gosh, but I can't go down. You guys, I'm so spoiled with my Instant Pot. All right, I don't know. Let's try this one more time. Here we go. Okay, I have it set on 1 minute. Peach topping turned out. I'm gonna get that turned off. I've never used that brand before.
Smells like a petting zoo.
You just gotta get some spices and some Parmesan in there. It'll smell a lot better. All right, can you? Yeah, I know what pork rinds smell like.
Stinks. Smells like a county fair.
Can you explain to the people what you're doing?
And crushing.
we're using pork rinds to bread the chicken wings and powdered Parmesan cheese.